Wow. Okay, there we go. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Such a basic, like, start to a vlog, isn't it? Sitting outside this brewery waiting for my friend Jasmine to get here. I don't think she's here yet. She only lives like 5 minutes from here, maybe less than that. All right, so here's the outside of this place. Let me show you. Let me see. It looks okay. Like, I feel like I'm pretty, let me turn this off. Okay, that's the other light. I turned 2 on now. There we go. Okay, and there's a really bad glare. But yeah, there it is. That's a pretty good view, right? I've been to a lot of breweries in my lifetime. Well, not really my lifetime, but more so like in my 20s. And I'm really excited to see this one. Alliance, Ohio is where this one's at. It's called I don't have any idea how to pronounce it. I'm not going to try because I just don't want to sound stupid, but I'll put the name of it on the screen. It's in Alliance, Ohio, which is where my friend lives, and we go to church here. Jasmine and I, we go to church together. And so I feel like I've spent a decent amount of time in Alliance in the last few years, and it's really cool that they have this place here now. And I also really like Jasmine's church, so I don't know. Alliance is like the place for me to be right now.
Picture perfect on the surface. Oh, these illusions that we worship.
Good morning, everybody. It's the next day now. So I just had a little dinner with Jasmine last night. It was good. Let me see if I can put you guys up a little bit more. There we go. So I had dinner with Jasmine last night. We just talked, laughed, and had a good time. It was a nice little Friday evening. Now I'm getting ready to go meet my friend Ava for lunch. So I'm just full of fun this weekend. I can't tell if this is backwards or not. I think it needs to go this way. It's my E necklace. But I don't know if it's an E or a J. Let me see if I could show you. It's like tangled. So I think tonight I'm gonna have what they call a little self-care night. So it's like a self-care Saturday rather than a self-care Sunday, because on Sundays I literally have no energy to do anything at all. That's why I like barely ever vlog on Sundays, because I literally just lay in my bed and I'm like, I can't move. Like, I'm exhausted and like no, like nothing in me. And yeah, oh my gosh, I'm tired. I feel like I've been doing nothing, but also still really tired from doing nothing. I don't know how that's possible, but somehow I feel that way. So let me know what you guys have been up to lately. What are your goals for the year? Comment below what you've been doing lately. Like, we're friends, you know? Like, tell me as if we were sitting in person or we were texting, because I respond to my comments and like I converse with people in my comments, so you should totally comment and let me know what's been up and how you've been. And yeah, I really want to hear about how you guys are doing, because that's why I do this, so that I can make friends and connect with people and stuff like that. Like, I'm not necessarily worried about being like blowing up and stuff, you know? Like, it'd be cool if I did, and I hope I do, but that's not why I do it. I just really like connecting with people a lot. I think it's really awesome. Oh no. Oh shoot. I might have lost my powder. Oh my gosh, I really do not want to pay for more. It was in my purse. Glad I really looked, because I was convinced it wasn't in there. Oh my gosh, it's shaken up. Wow. Okay, sorry, at least I found it. But anyway, I follow all of these like growth accounts on TikTok. And I'm just gonna be straightforward. They don't know what their ideas don't work. Like, I'm sorry, but I mean, I don't know. I guess like I want to grow more, but their tips haven't even helped me grow a little bit, let alone blow up. And they're like, you have to do it for more than a week, more than 3 weeks. I'm like, I get that, but shouldn't I see some sort of like something? Like, you know what I mean? I don't know. I'm not saying their tips don't work, and I'm gonna keep doing them because obviously they kind of know what they're talking about, but I don't necessarily know if it's gonna work for me. A super bummer, because like these tips are pretty good. Like, they sound like they would work, and I'm sure they would in a perfect world.
See the walls coming down. I hope someday we'll build them up on solid ground. Consequences go unnoticed, like the weight that's on our shoulders, pulling us down.
I'm gonna use my Old Faithful butter bronzer from Physicians Formula today. Oh, I missed this. Ooh, that's really dark though. I'm used to my other palette. It's a little bit less pigmented than this, but I really like this bronzer. I kind of want to try another color, but right now I'm saving money, so I have to make do with what I've got. Can't be off buying bunches of new makeup when I need to use that towards credit card debt. Yay, fun stuff. Love being an adult. I really need to get my hair done. It really, really, really needs trims. I haven't trimmed it in like a year. And like, I love the length and everything, but my hair gets like stuck like under my arm, and I accidentally pull it a lot, like all day, and then I end up having a headache, or like I'll sit back and like my entire head is confined to my chair because my hair is like up against the chair, and it's like painful. I just can't do it anymore. I'm not gonna like cut it all off, but I'm thinking like 3 inches maybe, probably 2. And I don't know what I want to do with it yet as far as like color. But we'll see. I'm gonna wait like one more paycheck, because I'm like, I don't know, I just feel like I want to make sure that I can actually pay for it and not have an empty bank account by the time I get to my next pay period, you know, paycheck. So I don't get paid this week, but I get paid next week. So I'm gonna see about scheduling an appointment after that. Plus, I'm really concerned because I have insurance with my job, but I don't know how much I'm gonna, like what my copay is gonna be for counseling. And that's been very helpful to me. I've been seeing her twice a month, so like every other week. And I've only had it 3 times, so it's kind of hard to like say how much it's really helped me, obviously, since it's only been 3 sessions, and they've all been over the phone because of COVID, so we've never even seen each other. I've seen like her picture online or whatever, but I kind of forget, because like I looked at it right before my first session with her. And so she's very nice though. She's a good Christian lady and just like very joyful, so that's like good for me, because joy is what I'm trying to like hold on to in this season of life, and like not, you know, give in to negativity. Okay, here's the outfit. I'm wearing this turtleneck. It's only 19 degrees out, and then joggers are from Amazon, and my Steve Madden boots. I'm gonna spray my black opium perfume. My camera doesn't want to focus, but yeah, this smells really great. Hey guys, okay, so I'm home from Olive Garden. I don't know if I told you guys that's where I went. I didn't vlog because I hadn't seen Ava, and honestly, sometimes I feel like feel like every YouTuber says this, and when they say this I get annoyed, but it really is true that sometimes I just feel like vlogging is like inappropriate in certain scenarios. Like, I don't know, we just got together to catch up and chat, and she's just a really awesome girl. I just love Ava. She's so funny, and yeah, she's just a great girl. So I had fun. I got for lunch just some soup, the chicken and gnocchi soup. If you guys have never tried it, it's like my favorite thing at Olive Garden besides their breadsticks. And I had 2 breadsticks. I'm really proud of myself for not asking for another basket. We each had 2, and then the salad. So Olive Garden is so underrated. I just don't understand. I feel like there's like a slight judgment if you go to Olive Garden or really any chain restaurant, unless you're doing like a mukbang, then suddenly people love it. I'm not sure, but maybe it's just me. So since I've been home, I've been making TikToks and Reels, so that's why I haven't really vlogged. So if you guys want to see what I've created, you can head over to those accounts. But now I'm back to vlogging, so I might meet up with another friend tonight for a drink and just to chat. I'm not sure though yet. We'll see what happens. And that's it for now. I've just been chilling, watching TikToks and Reels, making them. I need to catch up on my friends' YouTube videos and also work on my vlog. Not this vlog, but the one that I post right before this vlog. Because I want to put that up tomorrow. Or Monday at the latest. The lighting in my room looks pretty good from this angle. I wish it always looked like this. Also, I am now calling my Christmas tree my winter tree. Because it's obviously not Christmas anymore, but I don't know. I think it looks pretty wintry. It's got like pine cones and snowberries and winter boots and fluffy bulbs and sparkly snowy looking bulbs and, you know, just fun wintry decorations. So I'm keeping it up for a while longer. I really need to get a box for the rest of my Christmas decor though, because it's kind of taking up space. And I need to work on my gallery wall for this wall here. I really hope I can get to that. Actually, I'm gonna go ask my dad about that. Oh, okay, so I've been editing and I'm done for right now, but I wanted to show you guys. I finally plugged in my new lamp. I think it looks super cute, and then I'm probably gonna switch around like the books and stuff once I get more and finish them up, because I'm not crazy about that blue cover. So I don't know where I'm gonna keep that book, because it's kind of like, it's not really an eyesore, it just doesn't match. Like, I don't have anything blue in here. Black, white, gray, pink, pretty much every other color but that blue color matches, or green. Green probably wouldn't either. So I'm about to touch up my eyebrows, and I think I'm going to put on a little bit more eyeshadow, which I want to use my Thrive Cosmetics pen that I got. The Brilliant Eye Brightener in the shade Muna. I really like this stuff. It's super pretty. And then I'm just going to take, like, one of my tricks to freshen up is I just take 2 brushes. Like, I take a blush brush and then a blending brush, and I'll just use the residual of whatever's left on the brush and to like brighten up a little bit, and then I make sure I blend it because I don't want like lines all over my face, you know. So I'm gonna do that really quick in the bathroom.
We don't need more money.
We got snow. It's like on my window. I can't even show you guys like a clear picture. So much snow.
Time then we'll ever get back, and we need something to keep us on track. Where are we going? Where are we going? Running circles around walls that we built, chasing never-ending feelings of guilt. Where are we going? Where are we going? Everything makes sense on paper. Surface levels always safer. Don't let them in case they find somewhere within, under the skin's where you hide. We need more than cunning, words that don't solve nothing. What are we becoming? 'Cause we lost more time than we'll ever get back, and we need something to keep
morning, guys. I'm just now sitting down this morning to relax. Just put on some coffee. It's done, so I'm gonna have my second cup. I've already had one, and then the coffee pot like shut off because I went upstairs, did yoga, folded some laundry, and now the coffee needed rebrewed. There's only a little bit left anyway, so we got so much snow. It's insane. My brother and I are supposed to go to the Cavs game up in Cleveland tonight. I live an hour south of there. I truly don't even know how, because we're supposed to leave at like 1:30. It's 10:30 now, and it is just, there's like so much snow, and I don't see any snow plows in sight. Normally they get to our street pretty quickly, so hopefully they'll be here soon. If you don't live in an area with snow, I know a lot of people think it's like really pretty, and yes it is, but it's so frigid. It's frigid, and it's hard to navigate when we get snow like this, because the snow plows can't even keep up with it. The salt trucks can't keep up, and like then you're like, sometimes when you have to go somewhere, thankfully I'm off work today because it's Martin Luther King Day, but I would have had to drive to work, and that would have been terrible. So, and it's very unsafe, and people wreck and slip on ice, and it's like, just count yourself blessed if you don't have to deal with snow, because it is not all it's cracked up to be. So, the Chobani of the day is the chocolate haze craze. I think I've only had this one once, and I can't remember if I like it. I'm pretty sure I do. So, let me stir her up a bit. Sometimes they don't give you enough toppings. It's fine.
Traveling south number 10, Darius Garland is first. First team foul in the quarter.
I still remember your number. Can say those digits by heart. With that first drink of the summer, I think about where you are. I dialed 235, are you alive? How I miss our late night drives and 4, 6. How is it? In my mind I flip a switch, and 7-2, forgetting you is something I can't seem to do. Even though we were just kids, I close my eyes, I'm waiting for the lightning strike to knock me back to 2005, before you took that cross-country flight, before we said goodbye. Front door, I can still